Hello guys! Try natin sagutan itong ating CSE review for today. Find the average of the given set of numbers 8, 15, 21, and 12. So, ano ba ginagawa natin to find or to compute for the average of a given set of numbers? So, all we need to do is to add yung lahat ng ating values and then i-divide natin kung ilang values yung ating pinag-add. So, we have 8 plus 15 plus 21 plus 12 divided by ilan tong ating pinag-add. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have 4 values. So, di-divide lang natin to by 4. And then, simplifying yung ating numerator, we have 8 plus 15, which is 23. 23 plus 21 is 44. And then, 44 plus 12, that is 56. Divided by 4. Copy lang natin. And then simplifying this, all we need to do is to divide 56 by 4. So 56 divided by 4 is equals to 14. So 14 is the average of the given set of numbers, which is letter B. So for our next question, kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box and let's see if naintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. And that's it for our review for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.